How to find Facebook deleted post. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find deleted post on Facebook. Now, if you open up the app and log into your ID, you'll get an interface like this. Now, to find your deleted post, what you're gonna do is first tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. And once here, tap on the settings icon just below it. Now, you'll get various of options here under security and privacy. Now scroll down and under your information, you'll find the option activity log. Now, once on activity log, you can find recycle bin here for your post, for your interaction or everything that you have deleted. Just tap on recycle bin and you'll find it here. But if you wanna find only your post, what you wanna do is you can find the option your post and go into manage your post. And here, once on your post, you will find the option recycle bin. Now tap on it. And here you'll find all your deleted posts. Now you can tap on them and select them, and you can either save them to archives, or you can restore them, or you can delete them permanently. Now remember that if the post you have deleted has crossed over 30 days, you won't find it here. It will be deleted permanently. So you can find it if you have deleted it before 30 days time. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.